Welcome everyone. This is Codes of Creation number 21. So we have 19 videos so far. The last video was a combination of number 19 and 20. So that's why there's only 19 Codes of Creation videos, but they're all on YouTube. They're also on brighteon.com. You can find my videos there. And so these Codes of Creation videos are to prepare you for our retreat here in Sedona in April 11th through the 14th. And if you're not attending the retreat, then they are just to help you get an overall perspective of what it means to be a creator and how you can incorporate all the different parts or codes of creation into your process of creating. It's a little bit different than the law of attraction because I'm really giving a well-rounded perspective of what it means to be a creator. Hey Giselle, so this is number 21 and this video is about balance. So take this perspective with me because we live in polarity. If you are attempting to do something in your life, you need to move from a certain degree of balance. Now, none of us are totally balanced and none of us will ever be completely balanced, and that's okay. It's part of the dynamic balance of life. However, if you think about we have different aspects of ourselves. We have the masculine aspect, we have the feminine aspect, we have the primal, earthy aspect, we have more heavenly, celestial aspects. We have these polarities within ourselves, and number 2, Code of Creation number 2 is about the law of polarity. That's a little bit different than what I'm talking about today, but it's worth reviewing. We have these polarities within ourselves, and if we engage only with one side of the polarity, then we are missing that balance. And when we engage in only one side of the polarity, it leads to a stagnation, or it leads to burnout. So for example, I used to be very always in my masculine energy. Go, 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 do, and never hanging back really to create a vessel for receiving. And so I would end up being frustrated, overworked, burnt out because I was doing. To be a powerful creator, there has to be a balance, because if you want to actually receive what you're creating, then there need to be times where you pull back and allow. Now, once you get really proficient at this, you can be and do at the same time, and the simultaneous doing and being focused and putting yourself out there while you are also being receptive, that can all happen simultaneously. But it's helpful to break it down so that you have an understanding that if you're only engaged in one side of that polarity, then it leads to burnout or stagnation or both. And so as a powerful creator, you want to work with your balance. Are you all up here in your head? Or are you all down here in your root? Or do you have a nice flow and a nice integration of both of those? Are you all in your masculine or all in your feminine energy? Or can you bring those together and have a rhythm and a nice balance of both of those? So think about your life. This is your action step for this weekend. Think about your life and how you are in your life. Are you always doing? Are you only being? Are you always doing your inner work and never putting yourself out there? Or are you always externalizing everything and never looking inside? All of these things are very important to know about yourself so that you know how to make those adjustments and so that you know what to work on when you are cultivating balance within yourself. If you guys have questions, please put those in the comments below. But what I would love for you to focus on is that self-reflection and cultivating awareness about how balance works in your life, or if it's not, if you're totally unbalanced. And if you are totally unbalanced, what can you do to bring yourself back into that balance that's needed so that you can have the stability to be a powerful creator and then to receive your creations. So that's your action step for this week, that self-reflection. And for those of you who are feeling that call, that pull to come to Sedona, join us here in April 11th through the 14th, and we're going to go much deeper into this process of you as a creator, what it takes to be a creator, what's working in your life right now, what's not working in your life right now, how you can tweak those codes of creation so that you can begin feeling yourself as a powerful creator being and that you can execute your creations in your life. If you're only in dreaming stage, that doesn't get you very far. So we want to put you into action and give you ideas about what practical actions could be for you. So join us in Sedona, April 11th through the 14th for our Codes of Creation retreat. You can go to creationtemple.com/retreat to register. And the first 4 people who register do get a $44 gift certificate to Sedona's premier healthy restaurant. So you definitely want to hop on board soon and get that. And we look forward to seeing you here in Sedona. Now stay tuned. There are just a few more Codes of Creation videos coming up for you. I keep getting kind of more downloads and more pieces of this just when I think I'm done, then they give me another one. So we do have a few more. Keep coming back every week and looking for these. And again, if you've missed any of the other videos, you can go to brighteon.com and look at my playlist for the Codes of Creation videos. Just type Susie Byler into the search there. Or YouTube. They're also on YouTube. So much love, you guys. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you next week for the next Codes of Creation video. Mwah. Take care.